Hello everybody, today we are fitting to the car a nice silicone hose from the lovely people at PSH, Performance Silicone Hoses, along with a K&N air filter. So I'm going to open the bonnet. I haven't got many tools, so it's going to be really fun trying to get the spring clips off. But yeah, we're going to fit it, see how it goes. So this is the current setup that I've got running on the car. I've got the standard, let's go wide angle, I've got the standard intake box there with a standard pipe, but I've got down to the turbo elbow is bigger. It's also got the muffler, I don't know if you can just see it just down there, the muffler deleting it. And I also got the blank for the back of the airbox, so it basically makes it like a cheap R600 intake with this turbo elbow, turbo silicone pipe that goes there, along with the panel filter that goes in, so it makes it like a cheap R600 intake. So let's get around to fitting it and see how it goes. Basically my pliers aren't big enough to get the hose off, as you can see, so I just basically use brute force and I just push the whole intake hose off. So that part is off. Now I just need to take this off, and I'm going to insert the panel filter in there now and then put the silicone hose on in a second. Going for a little side-by-side comparison, it's a lot thinner than the OEM filter is. I don't know if that means anything or not, but it fits. I've tried it already, so just literally as simple as putting it in, making sure it's flat in the airbox. You can feel the oil on your hands, so I'll chuck that to the side. And do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put the hose on to the angle I think it should be now, and then I'm going to slide this part on after. So that's the angle that I've gone for. I've just quickly fitted the box, and then I've got the angle and took the top of the box back off. So I'm going to slide on one of the Jubilee clips. There you go. So you'd never know there's a K&N in there, but there is now. We've got the silicone hose. Should hopefully add some benefit. Sorry for my awful camera work here. Bit dusty at a minute. But yeah, Jubilee clip. So this Jubilee clip is smaller than that one. It was just me being a numpty. I didn't realise that it was. But yeah, fits nicely. It's not going to go anywhere. So yeah. Hopefully it'll make the intake noise a bit better, and it should be able to breathe a lot easier now. So yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you have enjoyed. Quick, easy, anybody can do it. Pretty cheap as well to unlock a bit more performance. But yeah, thank you for watching. See you guys later. Bye.